Hi, in this tutorial we are going to study expanded results and validation. If you click on solution and find, so here you can see number of equation is around 5,91,931. 1 lakh equation is equals to 1 GB of RAM is required to solve the model. So roughly 6 GB RAM is required for this one. So total deformation. So we have decided 3 steps. So which one is we want to see, we can right click, retrieve this result. So we can see this result. Second also we can right click and retrieve. So every stage we can see. For equivalent stress also same thing we can do. So this is for stage 1. Go to result and true scale. If you see in true scale, you will not identify. You can identify only after color change only. So maximum stress generated is 1529 megapascal. So here we can see where is maximum. So maximum is coming on the nut side, nut and bolt side. So this is equivalent stress for this wall body. If you want to see finite element connection, so what we have to do, first click on solution information, then geometry. So here you can see this finite element connection. So here we are going to insert equivalent stress on the outer surface of this globe valve. So insert stress equivalent one basis geometry is apply. So here you can see one point is there, integration point results. So here it is showing average. So first we will see what will the result for average, then next we will see. So evaluate. So here you can see it is coming to 126 megapascal maximum and minimum is 3.05. So here it is showing average. So if we put on average, then evaluate. you can see it has been doubled, approximately 512. So if you see what is the averaged versus an unaveraged. So if you see there are two nodes are there here, this side sigma is 1000 and this side sigma is 1200, then it will take average 1100. For this element, this sigma is 1100 and this is 1300, then it will take sigma average 1200. For unaveraged, it will take this maximum. So here we are going to insert contact tool. We are keeping only first one. Insert gap. So here we are going to insert gap and pressure. So during that pressure apply, due to this bolt penetration, this portion is coming down and this portion will be lifted. So the gap will be maximum 0.14 negative. So that you can see here. And if we see pressure, so due to there will be pre-tension, bolt pre-tension will be there, and due to that applied pressure inside, the maximum pressure will be at the outside. So you can see here. Now here we are going to insert probe. That will be force reaction. We are going to change to contact region. Frictionless first contact. Contact element and evaluate all results. So here retrieve this result. So here it is in true scale. We are going to check. So here we want to know what is the bolt pretension. So first select all and drop to this one and evaluate all results. So they are the pretension. So now we are going to insert the beam tool to view the minimum and medium that all the stresses in the beam connections. So in beam tool we are going to see direct stress minimum and maximum. evaluate. So you can see minimum and maximum. Minimum combined stress, maximum. So this is showing that direct stress, minimum combined stress and maximum combined stress to this beam which we have extracted from the nut and bolt. So now we are going to insert probe to get stress, bending moment and other things in the beam. So circular, we are going to select circular and evaluate. So here we can see all beam probe, axial force, torque, everything we can get here. So now if we click on solution and geometry, so you can see for these two beam connection this pretension section is in the middle one, and for the solid body it is showing nearby this face, so this should be in the in between somewhat. So what we are going to do now, first we are going to create new coordinate system. So now it has been solved. So you go to solution and geometry. So here what we have to do, first this is coming due to the meshing of this body. hide body, this hide body. If we go to mains, so see, so we have to define sizing of this one. Now it has been refined. So again we are going to solve. Yes, now you can see, go to solution, information, then geometry, so all bodies. Now you can see the pretension section has been changed to this one. So during giving this pretension in the bolts, we should consider all these things. So better to remove all the nut and bolts and put that beam connection. That is the perfect and accurate. Okay, thank you.